Process Interlock from Ubisense reduces risks and prevents product damage in assembly operations. Small, lightweight tags are attached to critical parts or equipment in the assembly process. Highly accurate ultra-wideband sensors reliably track the location and movement of objects in real time, even in busy or cluttered industrial environments. Three-dimensional zones can be quickly and easily defined in software for the production line or individual workstations. Any equipment left on the production line that prevents products from moving forwards can be automatically detected, alerting workers to clear the hazard. Once equipment is correctly located at the line side, the assembly line can advance safely. By integrating directly to the manufacturing execution system, Ubisense can determine if the required tooling is present for each process step, is located in the correct assembly zone, and is completing the correct operation. If equipment or tooling is not in a safe zone, the line is prevented from advancing. Because zones are defined in software, they can be simply adjusted to allow for new processes, rebalancing the line, or introducing additional process verification steps. Process Interlock from Ubisense, using real-time location data to keep processes and workers safe.